Hey guys, welcome to Trap and Effects. Today we are going to cover market structure. So yeah, there are basically two kind of traders in the market. One is subjective trader and another one is objective trader. What is subjective and objective means? Subjective is this can happen in the market and sometimes only, but objective means this will happen on the market most of the time. If you look at the market the subjective manner, it is hard for us to get profitable. We need to get trades only based on the objective structure instead of a subjective structure. So I will explain both. What is subjective structure? If you are not coming from smart money concept background, you may not understand this, so I will tell you everything right now. So if you see, BOS means breakout structure. Breakout structure is something the smart money people will wait for, and what they can do is after the breakout structure, when price reaches this demand, they will try to enter, and when the price reaches this supply, they will try to enter. So this is what the smart money people will do, but in my opinion this is wrong in my opinion. Why? Because most of the time the price will trap the traders and it will go up or down. So that is what happened again and again. When the price break this structure, the smart money people will enter here. So again the price break structure, again they will try to enter here. If the market is moving like this, it will be looking like this. So this is how, if the price is going on subjective structure, means the price will go like this only. So this is wrong. The understanding of price in that manner is wrong. What smart money people will try to do is, they will enter all the demand and they will enter all the supply. So once the price break this structure, they will try to sell here and again sell here. If price again broke this structure, again they will try to buy here like this. This they will consider this as a charge. Charge means change of character. What is change of character is the market completed the sell cycle and the market will go up. That is what the smart money people will try to do. So this is also wrong. Trading on the subjective structure is not at all good in my opinion. Don't go on that trap. So let's discuss the objective structure now. Objective structure is like, if you see this structure, this is the BOS. We will not try to enter here. Why? Because if you are entering here, means again you are doing the same thing what the smart money people will try to do. We will not try to enter in this demand. What we will try to do is, we will wait for some liquidity sweep. After that we can enter like this. Here you see, right, this is the low which break this high. This low is got broken and price tap into this demand, and most of the traders try to enter here also. This is also wrong. Why? Because what will happen is, they will try to enter in this demand, but what will happen is price will retrace like this and they trap the traders and price go like this. So this is also a kind of trap only. So what they think is, after this inducement they will try to buy this demand. That is what they think. but this is also wrong. So we should not enter directly on this demand. If you see here, we will not enter in this demand. So where we will enter is, we will enter here. Why we enter here is, price build some liquidity here. Price will build the liquidity here, and it induces this yearly buyers here. So we are entering in this demand, not here. This is good when compared to entering here. So after this BOS, what I call this as a money transfer. Money is transferred from here to here. I will draw it. Money is transferred from here to here, again from here to here. Currently the money is present here. This is the type of demand I will wait for, but I will not enter directly. If you see, this is the build-up of price and inducing down and mitigating this money transfer. So this is a good entry. Now we can enter. Instead of entering directly like smart money people, we need to wait for some price build-up before entering into the trade. That is good. This is what I see most of the time. Here if you see, this is an F-boss. F-boss means fake breakup structure. So here you see, right, the smart money people will think this as change of character, and they will try to sell here. But after this F-boss, we will not try to sell here. This is a smart money trap for us. We should not try to sell there. So this is how I saw the market. So if you have doubt, you can ping me in comments. Let's see what is strong highs and weak lows. Okay, strong high is a high that broke the weak low. Vice versa, weak high is the strong low is the low which broke the weak high. So if you see, this is subjective, this is subjective. Okay, subjective is this is the strong low which break this high. So this is the weak high. So again, strong low, weak high, strong low, weak high. This is a chart, right? What the retail people will think like is, this is a strong high, this broke this low, right? So this is a weak low. This is a weak low, strong high, this is a weak low, and this is a weak low. This is how the smart money people will think. But how we will think is, so we will need to wait for some F-boss first. After this high is broken, so this is a strong high for us, this is a weak low for us. So as I explained here, money transfer, same thing. So money is transferred from here to here. So this is a strong high, this needs to hold. So this is a strong low, sorry, this is a strong low, this needs to hold. This is also a strong low, this needs to hold. So after you see build up of price with the inducement, so you can enter here. This is the difference of strong high weak lows or weak high strong lows. This is the difference. This is how you need to see the market. Hey guys, let's see some market structure in charts. So if you see here, this is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So higher low, this is our strong low. So This is a type of build up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and moves up. So let's see what happened here. So if you see this market structure, so what happened here is it broke this structure. Many people are trying to enter from this demand. Market gave some reaction and trapped them immediately with some vector candle. So again one more time the market trapped them. After that it reversed, right? So if you see this is an EPA. I will tell you what is EPA and IPA on future lessons. Yeah, here if you see, right, so as I told you on the strong high and the weak low section, so this is our strong low and this will be our weak high, as well as this is our SMT only. This we need to see as an SMT. Why? Because this is a low which broke this high, right? So this will be SMT, as well as, so this is higher high, higher low, this is higher high, this is higher low, and this will be higher high. So this is the sweep of liquidity, and price reaches this area. So before reaches this area, what happened is it built some liquidity on the top side. So this is the valid entry for us. Why? Because we are having multiple confluences over there. First confluence is this EPA, second confluence is this money transfer POI. This will be money transfer. This is money transfer POI, as well as this is the strong low, and as well as this sweep of liquidity, and also this yearly bias. So there are a lot of confluences over there. So this will be good entry for us, and we can target this. Okay, let's see further. If you see this, right, this in these places we will not be able to enter. So here if you see, right, so what happened is before reaches this low, price build some liquidity and come down. This is not very good entry, but this is also a case. If we are having some lower time frame confirmation, we can enter this. Yeah, let's see further. Yeah, so this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, sweep of liquidity, and this is a demand. We can try to enter, but as I told you already, we will not try to enter blindly. So we need to either wait for build up of liquidity, or we need to wait for lower time frame confirmation. So here, yeah, 1 minute time frame, let's see. This is a build up of liquidity. This is an inducement. This is a strong low for us. When price reaches this area, right, so this is very good entry for us. This is very high risk and high reward trade. So this is so we can target this weak low like this. So again if you see this, right, strong low, money is transferred from here to here, again money is here. So again if you are missing this trade, you can try to enter this trade as well. This is also good. Target the same, but usually, as I told you on the previous videos, don't be over greedy. You need to target only 4 hour trades. If you see this, right, now let's see. Yeah, done. This is a very good trade. So if you hold it, it is, this one is 1 to 12 and this one is 1 to 18. So if you are having that much patience, you can wait, but I will always suggest take take out all the profit at 1 to 5 RR or 1 to 4 RR. That is very good. Okay, let's see what is happening here. So higher high, and this is the low which broke this high, so we will not enter here. So we need to wait for this low to broke at least. If you see this here, right, before breaking this low, what happened is price builds some liquidity and induces low, and we are having some reaction over here, right? This is also a good trade. You can target 1 to 4. So this is also good. So let's see. If you see, these are all build up of liquidity, and with vector candle it broke this high. You need to wait for if you want to take buy, you need to wait for at least broke this low. Why? Because we are having build-ups here. Price may come and take this out before going up. You need to wait for at least this to break. Okay, let's see here now. Doesn't mean you should not take sells over here. So here you see, right, this is the build-up of liquidity, inducement with vector candles. If you see, this is the high which broke this low, so this is the sweep of liquidity, and here you can enter. But as I told you already, you need to wait for lower time frame confirmation or build up of liquidity before entering this trade. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Let's meet on next video.